Good evening, everyone. It's Miss C again. I have been on the hair hunt because I'm thinking of getting a sew-in. I'm normally doing wigs, braids, or crochet, but I'm thinking about getting a sew-in. So I went out today with my sister looking for hair. So we went to Jenny's, close from the South Dallas side. Anyway, so we got inside, they have hair for $1.99, but it is Harlem 125 Kima Classic 100% hair. And this is it. You see it? This is color F1B30 and it is 10 inches. So I asked one of the sales clerks, I said, what's wrong with the hair? She said there's nothing wrong with the hair. She said it was just found. They found it. They just found the hair. So I'm thinking I'm guessing she meant overstock or excess boxes in the back that they hadn't gone through. So they found this hair, and by being older version, they decided to market for $1.99. I'm like, for $1.99, you can't go wrong. So this is the hair. Can you see that? It's very soft. Very soft. So I got 4 packs of $1.99 hair. I mean, if I'm going to pay $125 for the stylist to sew it in, I only paid $2 for the hair. And it can't be that bad. I mean, it's Harlem 125 and it's Kima Classic. So this is the hair. It's 100% human hair. And we'll give it a try. I like curly hair better, but I can always have the stylist curl it or wave it up, whatever. You know, put, I guess, curlers in the roller set. We'll try that. But anyway, this is the Kima Classic Harlem 125 $1.99 hair, F1B30. So, since I said I wanted wavy hair, I did find another one. This one is Model Moisture Remy Remist Indian Remy Wet and Wavy Shortcut. That's good because I don't like long hair, but I hope it's not too short. Shortcut, 3 pieces, loose deep. My sister's helping me film. Okay, this is the back. So I also asked the clerk how many boxes will it take for a full head. She's saying 1. So like I said, I am not accustomed to getting a sew-in, so I'm not sure. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna open this Model Remy Indian Remy loose deep. This is color P1B30. All right, let's see what we got. And then they have it in the store. Oh, what the hell? Do y'all see this? This looks like they have chopped off a bundle of hair to make a short bundle. When this says shortcut 3 pieces, I know it meant this damn short. What the hell is this? Really? This looks like a squirrel's tail. What do they think you're gonna do with this? Can y'all see this? What in the world is this? Oh my God. It's not even. It's just chopped off. This is ridiculous. I think this box was $23 and change, which that's not a lot for hair because I know these women pay a lot for the hair, but when they say shortcut, they didn't say just cut off and made bundles out of cut off hair. So I don't even know what this is going to do. I have no idea what this is. My natural hair is longer than this. That's my sister laughing, y'all, but this is ridiculous. Do y'all see this? What is this? What is this? I'll be looking like Peppermint Patty. The hell? Cut. Just cut.